Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video. This is going to be for all of my niche perfume lovers out there, as well as House of Sillage fans. I think you're going to want to watch this one. I am going to be unboxing the special mystery vault that is created by the CEO of House of Sillage, Nicole Mather. Now, she has put together a exquisite collection of her favorites. Look at this beauty. So I feel so lucky to be able to share this beautiful collection with you. I'm going to go through the entire box, show you what is included in this special mystery vault. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what is included. So I would like to do a quick little shout out to Monsieur Alex, who is the brand manager of House of Sillage. He literally has been reaching out throughout this whole COVID period and really making sure that we are all doing okay. And the whole House of Sillage crew has been amazing, and I know as a business they have been going the extra mile, not only with their partnerships but with their business model as well. So let's, first of all, this is a rather large box here, really beautiful. And yes, I did have to take a peek in here. So we're gonna open this guy up. First thing is this super soft luxe little throw. It has the House of Sillage logo on it, and this is just one of these super soft luxury kind of throws. So pretty. Okay, I think we're all gonna want to see what is in this guy first. So included in the special package is going to be one of the limited edition perfumes, and it comes in a beautiful box just like this. And then let's undo the bow, and then it falls open. Oh gosh. Okay, so you guys, it comes in this beautiful lacquered box just like this. Has the House of Sillage logo on it. And then here we go. We're gonna press this beautiful button. Oh my goodness, little beauty. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. And then it opens up the front just like this. Wow, you guys. Wow. That is really all I can say. This is the limited edition perfume in Tiara. And you guys, this is definitely made for a princess. And Nicole said that she was inspired to make this from the announcement of when Prince William got engaged to Kate Middleton, and he had given her Princess Diana's lovely, beautiful sapphire diamond ring. Everything about this reminds me of Princess Diana. I don't know about you guys, but I was a huge fan of Princess Diana. I just thought she was elegant, gorgeous, inside and out, and this is definitely a perfume for a princess. This bottle comes with that ombre glass, as well as all of this beautiful designs with the Swarovski crystals that come in the beautiful sapphire and clear crystals. This literally is like a beautiful piece of what I kind of think of a Cartier sort of jewelry. You can imagine a necklace, a tiara, beautiful earrings. I am a little bit blown away by the beauty of this. It is just truly a beautiful piece of art. But the best part is that the juice inside of all the House of Sillage perfumes are gorgeous as well. So this is not just decorative. What I found is that the perfumes inside are just as amazing as the bottles. Inside the cap, you will have the House of Sillage embossed on there. the name of the perfume and the number of the actual perfume that you receive. Goodness, I think this may be my favorite perfume out of the whole collection, not just because of this beautiful bottle, but because this is just a super gorgeous scent. So as I had said before, I had smelled all of the fragrances when I went to New York City, and I kind of smelled them all at once and kind of got them a little bit confused. I remember really loving Tiara. Oh my goodness. Okay. Had to put a little bit of this beauty on. Wow. So I have completely fallen head over heels in love with the Tiara scent. To me, this is a very elegant fragrance. It is very wearable. It's also sort of a regal feminine scent. So the top notes in this beauty are tangerine and cinnamon. Then we have rose oil as well as peony, which I love peony in fragrances. And then the base notes are gonna have that touch of that Madagascar vanilla, which if you know, I do love a little bit of vanilla in my fragrances as well as musk. This perfume is just super sophisticated, elegant. It is also soft, slightly powdery, not over the top. It's got a touch of that vanilla warmth to it. It's got rose in it and then slight floral. So sometimes florals can be a little bit overpowering. That they blended this just perfectly because the florals are just soft, pretty, elegant. This to me is just perfect as a kind of a signature scent. When I think of signature scents, I think of something that you do not get sick of wearing. It can be something that can be worn year round, and this one hits that mark. To me, it is just perfection. I do kind of channel a little bit of Princess Diana when I'm thinking about this perfume, but when I think of her being such a beautiful person inside and out, and this exemplifies that. This is what I think that she would wear. So for all of you princesses out there, I think you would absolutely love Tiara. Now Tiara comes in this beautiful limited edition bottle, but it also comes in one of their signature scents. So just beautiful. My whole family also loves this perfume. As you guys know, I am a bit of a perfume junkie, and this perfume got the thumbs up from hubby, from my daughter. Okay, I'm gonna put this beauty back in its box, and then let's continue on. Next goodie is the Arabesque, and this is their Travel Spray Solo. So I have another one of these that I absolutely love for travel. These are perfect, and just check out the beauty of this one. This one is in Blanc and has a really beautiful large Swarovski crystal at the top, as well as the House of Sillage logo. And then we open it up just like this, and then it came with a set of their signature perfumes. So we're gonna pop one of these guys in. I've also been loving Chevador, wearing that so much. I was telling Alex that basically during this COVID time, I am always gonna remember House of Sillage because I have been wearing Chevador. That is one of my favorites. I've been wearing Love is in the Air. This comes with a set of travel perfumes, so you get to try out the entire signature line. You've got Emerald Rain, Benevolence, that's another one of my favorites, Tiara, Holiday, Passion de l'Amour, Chevador that I just put in the box. Wes Moi, Cherry Garden, and love is in the air. So again, you get the entire collection along with your little travel solo. Such a great way to experience the entire line. Then last but not least, we have my favorite. This is what House of Sillage is also known for, is their bow lipstick cases. So you're going to receive one of the beautiful bow cases. This one is in white, which to me just screams elegance. It comes with 2 of the lipsticks, and as I've mentioned many times before, this formula of lipstick is one of my favorites. It has vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, as well as diamond powder that is crushed into the formula. And the reason I like it, you guys, is it is moisturizing, but it is also kind of grips the lip. So it's not drying whatsoever, and the colors are fantastic. So it comes with prints, and this is the little refill. Oh, I love this color. Prints is described as the perfect pink blossom tone color for the lips. Just a perfect soft spring pink. Let's pop this guy in. So again, super easy. You just put the lipstick in, you push it down and hear the click, and let's go ahead, give you a swatch. This is this beautiful blossom pink, and this is in prints. And then it comes with one of my favorite colors, Duchess, which is sort of a warm rosewood shade. So this incredible mystery vault by Nicole Mather is $986, but the value of it is $1,973. So if you are interested in purchasing one of the Nicole Mather's special edition boxes, you're guaranteed to receive one of the limited edition perfumes along with one of their beautiful bow lipstick cases. Now, Mother's Day is coming up, and if you are in the market that you're going to be getting somebody a little something special, or maybe even for yourself, the House of Sillage has a 25% off sale across the board, not for the mystery vaults. Those are already 50% off. They are a huge value. So this was pretty much the ultimate unboxing that I've ever personally done, and I just wanted to give a little shout out and a thank you to House of Sillage, to Nicole, to Alex. Alex is just such an amazing person. Again, I just want to give him a little hug. He really has been reaching out, making sure that we're doing okay, providing a little bit of a bright light during very unsettled times. And you guys, I'm well aware that small businesses across America are struggling. I myself have my own business, Bliss Holistic Health. So I have really appreciated the way businesses are becoming creative. So if you are in the market for a beautiful luxury niche perfume, I will tell you that not only the perfumes are gorgeous, but the people behind the brand really are special, really are heartfelt, not just because of the stuff, but because of the real heartfelt communication I have been receiving from the brand. So that actually means a lot to me. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing unboxing, and I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your week.